So in this video we will learn how to convert measurement in Celsius scale to measurement in Kelvin scale. Also the measurement in Kelvin scale to measurement in Celsius scale. To do this we need to remember one relation between Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. If we are given the reading in Celsius scale, that is measurement of temperature in Celsius scale, we will simply add 273.16 to the measurement of temperature in Celsius scale. That will be the measurement in Kelvin scale. So we have to remember only this relationship. Let us apply this relation, this equation in some numerical problem. We know the ice point in Celsius scale, ice point in degree Celsius scale is 0 degree Celsius. So what should be the equivalent Kelvin temperature? We know, just we have learned, K is equal to C plus 273.16. C, this measurement is 0. Add 0. We are getting 273.16. So we can write ice point in Kelvin scale is 273.16 Kelvin. Never write degree Kelvin, as we write, unlike we write degree Celsius, we will not write degree before Kelvin. Also you know, steam point in degree Celsius scale is 100 degree Celsius. Therefore equivalent Kelvin temperature will be, by applying this relation, measurement is 100 degree Celsius. So add 100 degree to 273.16. The result is 373.16. So steam point in Kelvin scale is 373.16 Kelvin. This way we can convert the measurement in degree Celsius scale to Kelvin scale. Now in next part of the video, we will learn how to convert Kelvin to Celsius. But before that, I need to mention one thing here. I am writing. From this part of the video, we have learned that ice point in Kelvin scale is 273.16 Kelvin, and steam point in Kelvin scale is 373.16 Kelvin. We can remember this. Whereas the equivalent temperatures in Kelvin, in Celsius scale, degree Celsius scale is 0 degree Celsius and 100 degree Celsius. 0 degree for this much of Kelvin and 100 degree for this much of Kelvin. Since we have learned the relationship between degree Celsius scale and Kelvin scale is this, we can write Celsius measurement is equal to Kelvin measurement minus 273.16. Let us apply this in a numerical problem. Suppose the temperature is 293.16 Kelvin. This temperature is 293.16 Kelvin. So we have to subtract 273 from it to get the equivalent Celsius, and it is 20 degrees centigrade. Let us take another example. Let this temperature is 248.16 say. So subtract 273 from it. Equivalent temperature will be, say, what we know, one smaller number can be subtracted from the bigger number. This can also be possible. In that case, the result will be negative. Otherwise, the process of subtraction will be same. Minus 25 degree Celsius.